Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is day 4 of Vlogmas and today's video is going to be a little bit different. I actually have my final exam tomorrow morning, so I really need to be studying today, but I wanted to stay on track and still give you guys a video, so I decided I would give you guys a lock video today, just to give you know, all the people that follow me because of my hair journey, my lock journey, just to give you something for Vlogmas. So it's not always just vlogs, you can also get a little bit of information for you guys as well. So today's video is going to be all the products, my go-to or my main products that I use for my locks. There's going to be links for everything down in the description box because I want you to know where to find anything if you have any questions or anything like that. So let's go ahead and get into this video. Okay, to start off, we're going to start with the products that you guys seen in my last video. I don't know if you all got the details of everything, but there's going to be links for everything in the description box. So as I said last time, I'll also link the video in the info bar. But as I said last time, I used 2 shampoos, and these are the products that my stylist recommends. These are the products that he uses in his shop. So the first shampoo is called Oat Protein and Henna. This is the first shampoo that I use. It really cleanses the hair, gets everything out of it, and it kind of strips the hair of moisture as well, but not as bad as some other shampoos that you can use. The next shampoo that I use, this is actually my favorite. Sometimes when I'm being lazy and I just need a quick wash, I'll use this one instead of using the Oat and Protein Henna one. But this is a honey cream moisture retention shampoo, and it smells delicious. It smells so good. It leaves your hair smelling wonderful as well. So I really love this one. It lathers up really nice. The Oat Protein and Henna, that one doesn't lather. It doesn't create as much of a lather as the honey cream one. You just need a little bit of this one and it will just create all types of suds in your head. I really love this shampoo. The final product of the 3 steps that I use is my deep conditioner. I'm actually running out of all these products. I need to go reorder. But it is my deep conditioner. I need to use this more than I should. But yeah, this is rosemary and mint, and it is a stimulating super moisturizing conditioner. All of these products are by Design Essentials. I haven't really ventured outside of the product line. I do want to try some different things, but I just haven't gotten around to it yet, just because the products do last me a while. I only use a little bit, and like I said, sometimes I just use the one shampoo just to cleanse my hair really quick. But yeah, so these are the products that I use to wash my hair and keep my hair clean. Now when it comes to actually styling and retwisting my hair, I use 3 additional products. Those 3 products are the Lock and Curl. This is the blue stuff that you've seen in my spray bottle in my previous lock video. This is a special concoction that my stylist makes. I'm not exactly sure what's in it, but it's something that he makes, and it helps it says it moisturizes while training your curl pattern, so I guess it helps your lock continue to grow in that lock form when it grows out. And I'm just going to read what's on the back. I've never actually read the bottle before, but it says, Lock and Curl has been formulated to train and moisturize a healthy set of dreadlocks, starter locks, and many different curl patterns. This solution uses your enamel layer to form a pattern in the hair to where it is not harmed nor distracted from growth. This solution is made with different agents that progress scalp stimulation, growth, versatility, and longevity. Understanding the fabrication of natural hair. This solution was invented to enhance the physical beauty and design while progressing the hair to the desired outcome. So yeah, this is his special concoction that he uses. You just mix this. This is actually a concentrate, so you mix this with a portion of water, and then you just spray this in as you're retwisting your hair, just to keep everything moisturized and damp. As for actual retwisting my hair, I use the Talil Wajid Tight Hold. I know there's different types of versions of this. You have some, I think it may be either stronger or not as strong as this one, but this is the one I use with the orange label. This says it's firm hold with no flaking. That's one thing that I do love about this product, is that it doesn't cause any flaking or anything like that. and I have very minimal buildup. Now I will admit, if you put too much into this hair, it can kind of cause buildup issues, so that's why I just use a very small amount when I retwist my hair. Sometimes I don't even use the gel when retwisting. Like throughout my hair I might have like a smaller lock or like a thinner lock. I'll just use the blue stuff. I just spray that into my hair, and then that's all I need to retwist those smaller locks. After everything is retwisted and my hair is dry, I go in and just spray the oil sheen, and this just adds a little bit of vibrancy to my hair, makes everything nice and shiny, and this also smells really good. Either later on this month or next month, I'm not sure exactly. I think it'll probably be later on this month, but I do have my very own recipe that I'll be sharing with you guys about how to make a moisturizing spray for your locks that you can just mist in whenever it's starting to feel a little dry or whenever you need a little extra moisture. It's going to be like a rose water and oil mix, and that'll be coming later on this month, so stay tuned for that. I still have something for you guys during Vlogmas, so don't run away. I still have a lot of videos for you. Now moving forward, we've got all of our products out of the way. That's all I use. What is that? That's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or 7 products I use. That's all I use. There's no product junkie this way. I only use a few products, so I have no excuse to have all the crap I have in my closet right now. I'm going to actually clean that out soon, but we'll wait till this final exam is over. But yeah, that's all I use. Now, as far as tools that I use to help style or keep my hair out of my face or help keep my hair healthy, we're going to jump into those now. I've used these goodie headbands. These are the ouchless ones. They don't have that metal clip in them. I've used these ever since I had relaxed hair, and I absolutely love these things. I never keep up with them, so I buy a new one like every 6 months. I buy a new pack because I always run out of them. But these are really nice. Now my hair, all of my locks together are really thick, and they don't fit into one of these. So unless I stretch it out, but I don't want to put all that strain on my hair. So I usually just use these to keep my hair out my face. I pull like half of my hair up into a ponytail, or pull half of it back, and then just put one of these ponytail holders in. Now if I am trying to put all of my hair into a ponytail, then I have these big ones here. I had a pack of them, but of course my dog runs away with them. They disappear. I don't know where the rest of them are. This is the only one that I have left, so I need to go to Target and buy some more. I don't even know who they're by, but they're probably goodie bands as well, because they don't have the metal clip clasp either. So if you are getting lock extensions, or if you have really long locks, these will definitely come in handy, the bigger goodie bands. Now there's some debate on using clips or not. I use clips just because I find them easy for me. They are time consuming, but that's just the way I know how to do my hair. And these are the 1 3/4 by Diane. I'll leave links for everything in the description box, as I said earlier. If I was to repurchase these, just because of how thick my hair is and how thick my locks are, I would probably buy maybe even bigger clips, like maybe a 2-inch or a 2.5-inch clip, just because I use quite a few of these. But I mean, it gets the job done, so I'm okay with using this one. Along with that, I really love these really long, are they bobby pins or hair pins? I think these are bobby pins. Yeah, I really love the bobby pins. These they have to be like 2.5, 3 inches long. Sometimes you just want to like put your hair back, like straight back like this, and just wear it straight back. And the long pins are really good if you have thick, heavy, long locks. This just helps keep everything pushed back so you can have that nice, sleek, slick back look. I also wanted to share with you guys from my last video, my last lock video, you guys saw that I have a hooded dryer. I purchased that from Amazon. I'll leave the link to the exact one that I purchased. Hopefully it should be in my order history somewhere, but hopefully they still have that same exact one. I know I had a hard time picking one because the reviews weren't all that great, and I don't think they were Prime eligible or anything, so it felt kind of risky ordering one, but it does a wonderful job. I haven't had any issues with it, and it hasn't done any damage. It hasn't caught on fire or anything crazy like that. So I'll leave the link to the one that I purchased down below. Now to get into my hair wraps and shower caps and bonnets and all this stuff. I have a lot of this stuff. When I was when I was a loose natural, I pretty much had a bonnet and my headscarf, and I still use that headscarf. Actually, it's right here. This is what I use on most nights. I just put it on and just keep the top of my head wrapped up and from, you know, rubbing up the friction and stuff. But sometimes I want to do a little bit extra, and sometimes I really didn't want to put, you know, a scarf on my head because, you know, you tie it in a knot and that knot gets on my nerves sometimes. So sometimes you just want a bonnet. And my old bonnet that I had did not fit my hair anymore. Once I got lock extensions, that bonnet didn't fit. It was way too small. I had way too much hair. Now my hair is even longer, so I know there's no chance that bonnet was going to fit. So early on in my lock journey, I ended up purchasing a jumbo bonnet. This thing is huge. As you can see, it's like huge. I believe I got this one off Amazon, and I'll leave links to everything below like I said. But this thing is huge. It fits all my hair. It's very comfortable and it's smooth. I'm not sure if it's silk or not, but if you're if that's something that's very important to you, then you can just, you know, put the scarf over your head and then put this one on. And some people even sew, I've seen some people on YouTube like sew silk into the inside of their bonnets just so they know that their hair will be protected. But yeah, so this is my jumbo bonnet. Along with that, my hair takes a really long time to dry, so if I'm not trying to get my hair wet when I'm in the shower, finding a shower cap that fits and keeps the water away from my hair was very important. So I got this jumbo shower cap off Amazon as well. This one is also really big. As you can see, it is freaking huge. So yeah, this one is not the most comfortable thing, but it gets the job done. My hair doesn't get wet. I can put this on. I keep it right next to the shower. I put my hair in there, jump in the shower, do what I gotta do, get out, my hair is dry, and I'm ready to go. Two of the final things that I got are actually recent purchases, and they are lock socks. These are the original lock socks. I got one, this is I guess the normal length. I got this one in a leopard print, and it's so pretty. And I also got a black one in the extra long length. I'm not exactly sure what the dimensions are, but I'll leave the link to the lock sock website that I bought these from. And sometimes I think, did I sleep in this? I don't really sleep in the lock socks, but sometimes I know you can do a lot of different styles using lock socks, and you can do buns and just a bunch of different, you know, styles. I haven't done much styling with them yet, just because I'm simple when it comes to hair, but probably this summer, or maybe, you know, I'll experiment a bit during the winter and try some different lock styles for you guys if you're interested in seeing those. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's pretty much everything I use for my lock extensions. Yeah, I keep things really simple. I just try to leave my hair alone for the most part, let it do what it's going to do, and make sure that I'm not putting too much tension on it, or making sure it's not drying out too bad, and making sure that I'm keeping it clean. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope you found some useful information, and wish me luck on my final tomorrow. I'm hoping everything goes well. I'm ready to graduate and be done with school. This has been a really, really, really long journey for me. So I'm just happy that it's coming to a close and I can progress to the next stage of my life finally. And yeah, I'll see you guys for Vlogmas day, what's tomorrow, 5? Yeah, so I'll see you guys for Vlogmas day 5 tomorrow. My husband should be back in the vlogs then. I should have, you know, regular scheduled Vlogmas content for you guys. So yeah, bye.